Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning 2022 Volkswagen Taigo. This one is on a 71 reg and it's finished in deep black pearlescent paintwork. Really stunning vehicle, as you can see. You've got the upgraded Misano alloy wheels, 18-inch in black, as part of the black design pack from factory. So that would mean you'd normally get a black roof and black mirror caps, but as it's a black car, you get the wheels. It's a really lovely car, and then you get like the blacked out exhaust surrounds and bumper. Slightly different in the black design pack. Really lovely car. It's also part of our approved use scheme, so even though it's not a brand new car, this car was registered this February, so just half a year old now. 6 months, 7 months old, something like that. Not 7 months old, not very old at all. It's only done 1,850 miles, so hardly any. I'll take you inside the vehicle now. That means you get balance of manufacturer warranty, which will leave you with just under 2.5 years of warranty, which is really great. As you can see, it's got some fuel for you, and you can see there the total mileage is 1,831, which is really great. You've got your navigation screen there as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control, 2 USB-C ports, your DSG gear selector. You do also have the paddles on the steering wheel as well if you do wish to change gears manually, which is really great, and it does physically go through the 7 gears, so that's great. You've also got a manual handbrake. Everything's leather wrapped, so really premium feel. Shadow grey dash. And if you're familiar with the Polo, this is the exact same interior pretty much as a Polo, so really lovely. You've got the new style R-line cloth. Same to the rear of the car. 2 sets of Isofix points in the back and Isofix in the front, which is really great if you've got a baby. You know, if it's just you and the baby travelling, it's a lot more convenient to have them in the front, and you can do that safely with the baby seat and the Isofix point, so that's great. You can also deactivate the passenger airbag as well for that reason. So it's a really lovely car. You've got built-in navigation as well. Like I say, you can put that on here too, just using these little buttons. Have the map. It doesn't flash in person, it's just on the screen, and it goes full screen like so, which is really great. Just a great system, and can show lots of different information on there, so really nice. Really good sound system on this car as well, and it is really lovely shape. It's that coupe SUV shape. One of the first manufacturers to make a small coupe SUV, so really nice. You've got a really large boot as well, 440 litres. And then you've also got your tyre repair kit in there too, so really great. Lots of practicality and a really lovely car. This car is on site, so we do have demonstrator Taigos, but this one is on site, used vehicle, so if you are interested in viewing or test driving, it's available and you can come and do so. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.